Hello friends, welcome to BMH Learning. This video is about citrate utilization test. The citrate utilization test is a part of the IMVIC test that differentiates organisms on the basis of their ability to use citrates as a sole source of energy. The citrate test is performed along with the other IMVIC tests to differentiate gram-negative bacilli of the Enterobacteriaceae family. The test is also called Simmons citrate test as it utilizes Simmons citrate agar that contains citrate as the major source of energy. The medium further contains ammonium hydrogen phosphate as the sole source of nitrogen. Organisms that give a positive result in this test should be capable of fermenting citrate in the presence of the enzyme citrase. Principle. So the test is used to test the ability of an organism to utilize citrate as a source of energy. The agar medium contains citrate as the sole carbon source and inorganic ammonium salts as the sole source of nitrogen. The growth of the organism in medium is indicative of the utilization of citrate as it is an intermediate metabolite in the Krebs cycle. During the reaction, the release of carbon dioxide induces the metabolism of ammonium salts, causing the formation of ammonia or sodium carbonate, both of which increase the alkalinity of the medium. The shift in pH turns the bromothymol blue indicator in the medium from green to blue above pH 7.6. Procedure. Preparation of the media. In a beaker, required amount of media is added to distilled water. The solution is then heated to bring it to a boil in order to dissolve the medium completely. The dissolved medium is then dispensed into tubes and sterilized in an autoclave. Once the autoclaving process is complete, the tubes are taken out and cooled at a slanted position to a temperature of about 40 to 45 degrees centigrade. Utilization test. A well-isolated colony is taken from an 18 to 24-hour culture with a sterile inoculating needle. The citrate agar tubes are inoculated by streaking the surface of the slant. The cap of the test tubes should be left loosened to ensure adequate aeration. The test tubes are then incubated aerobically at 35 degrees centigrade for up to 4 days. The tubes should be examined daily for 4 days before discarding the result as a negative. The change in color, if present, is observed. Result interpretation. A positive test is demonstrated by growth with a color change from green to intense blue along the slant. A negative test is demonstrated by no growth and no color change, and the color of the slant remains green. This was all. Thanks for watching.